Okay, so now that you've downloaded WebEx and it's time to take your class, you're just going to find the icon either on your phone as an app, or it'll be an icon like this on your desktop, and just double click that to open it. That's going to open a screen like this. So you can put your name in and your email address. If you put your name in, that lets the instructor know who you are in case they can't see you or something like that, but you don't have to do that. The only thing you have to put in is the meeting ID number. So this was a 9-digit number that was either on the receipt when you registered or it was emailed to you. So you're just going to type whatever that 9-digit number was in here. You don't need to put any spaces. And then once you've done that, you're just going to click join. This second pop-up window is going to come up, and here's where you're going to put the password. And again, this was either emailed to you or it was on your receipt when you registered. And then once you put your password in, just click next. And remember, it is case sensitive, so make sure you're using appropriate capitals, lowercase. Okay, so the meeting that I'm joining hasn't started yet. So if you see this, that just means your instructor hasn't arrived yet and hasn't opened up the class. But you can just wait, and as soon as, if you give it a few minutes, your instructor will probably join a couple minutes before the class starts.